In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make it rain in Pokemon Pokopia. So to be able to make it rain in Pokemon Pokopia, you need to get this better charms right here. You can get it from the PC shop, or you can also get it from, I'm going to show you this location real quick. So you've probably been here before. I think this is where we all started. So the weather charms will be around this area right here that you need to get basically. So you will be able to see them in there and then you can grab them. So now when you actually do have at least 2 of those weather charms, you need 2 by the way, then we can proceed to make it rain. So we need to also have this Pokemon right here. Squirrel here, as you can see, we need to actually have him follow us. So I'm just going to have him follow me here. And then in here, I'm just going to flip this one over here. We need to flip them over so that they become blue instead, as you can see. Now what you need to do is that you need to grab this Lepa berry here and you need to place it right here. And then he's going to now eat it. Squirtle is now going to eat this Lepa berry to initiate the rain dance party, I think it's called. And when we initiate this rain dance party, it's going to eventually now start raining. It's going to take you a couple of minutes to be able to actually, get the rain started. And you can see it's now started to rain, and basically that is exactly how to make it rain in Pokemon Pokopia.